Hey guys, Miami Gunner here. We're gonna do a little unboxing slash product review. What we got here is the Cyelee optics. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. We got the Ghost HDG. This is their Pro Series. I'll be transparent with you guys. They were sent to me for free to give an honest review. That is why I agreed to work with this company. I really like what they got going on. They specifically asked to give an honest review. They also asked for a torture test, so you already know we're gonna put these optics to the test. But you know, I already took the time and basically just went over this one, installed it, figured things out. So we got another one here for the torture test. So we're gonna do an unboxing on this one, and I'm gonna show you guys how to set them up. Well, I'm only gonna show you guys how to set it up for a Cyelee slide, but then again, Cyelee slides are very common, so it should help a lot of people out. So here's the packaging. Packaging looks really great, fully submersible. You have 3 different red dot pictures, which I really like because I have astigmatism. So without further ado, let's see what we get inside. You get the instructions. The instructions are pretty good. I went through them, telling you how to install it properly. Very helpful for sighting in, so this is really cool. You can probably keep that in your wallet and take it with you to the range. Definitely helps. You get the cool cleaning thing. We get these cool stickers. They put one of the stickers on the top. Looks really nice. And then here we get the tools, which again are really nice that it comes with it. So here we have all the different screws for all the different RMR setups that you can install this on. And here we have the main event. We have this really nice optic. Looks really high quality. It already comes with the battery installed. All you have to do is hit one of the buttons and it turns on already. For the stock setting, you have the big circle with a small circle inside. If you hold the up for a few seconds, you'll see the picture changes. You see it got into a smaller dot. Has a pretty good brightness. Looks really good. And then to turn it off, you hit the down button 3 seconds. And it turns off. Also, if you don't want to turn it off, it has a shake awake feature. So if you just leave it on, after 4 minutes, it'll turn off and then it'll be shake awake. So it's a really cool feature that these bring. All right, now let's get to it. We're gonna be installing it on this Cyelee Positions Glock 17L slide. We're gonna first remove the RMR cover. And then I'm gonna show you guys what screws we use on the Cyelee, and we're just gonna get this on. Let me take off the screws and we'll get back to the video. Okay, I went ahead and removed the screws. Now I'm just gonna take the plate off. You're gonna wanna clean down here and possibly lube it because it can get rusty. So just go ahead and test it. It fits perfectly. It's a really nice RMR cut. So now let's look for the screws. Luckily, I already installed the other one like I had said. And I already know what screws I need. Apparently I put them away, so I'm just gonna have to look through here. But again, you can see how you get a ton of screws. So you're probably gonna be good for a bunch of different applications, which is awesome. So these are it. So for the Cyelee slide, you're gonna need, the screw spec is 440 by 37, and the effective length is 9.5. These are the ones that work for me. Let's go ahead and pop them in. one thing I did, if you guys are installing on a different application, make sure that you see how much the screws stick out and then compare them to your stock screws. If you see, this is the length of my stock screw. And when you look at it compared to the engagement, meaning how much this screw is sticking out, you can tell it's very close. Some of the other ones stuck out a lot or not enough. So just make sure you're getting enough screw going into your optic plate. So again, I'll be back when I put this on because I only have one hand with the camera. Okay, so we just put the 2 screws, still loose. What I like to do is I like to start tightening each screw little by little. I don't have a torque wrench. If you guys can get a torque wrench, screwdriver, that would be awesome, because it's really easy to over tighten these optics and mess them up. But again, little by little, just work both sides as evenly as possible so that the optic is centered. Once you're pretty snug, I like to just put this sideways, and I'll be very careful and just give it a little tighten, and that's it. Now for the other side too, just a little bit, and that should be good. Now let's see the finished product. As you can see from the cold witness, it's pretty spot on, and might need to go a little bit up, but the dot is right there. I know looks aren't everything, but it looks awesome. Definitely fits the look of my gun. By the way, gun is clear, just in case. This is what it would look like on a 19 chassis. Gun is safe too. It's a little big on the 19, but still looks really nice. This one looks great too. Now we just need one more. Maybe coming soon. But yeah, guys, these are the Ghost HDG optics. This is a little unboxing and installation on a Cyelee precision slide. Stay tuned for some testing and some torture testing. Again, thank you, Cyelee. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but thank you guys. Very happy to be working with your company. The product is great, and I'm gonna be doing a completely honest review and putting these, to the test with a little torture test, so everyone knows if you're getting a quality optic or not. Thank you guys for watching.